Today I'm going to show you how to make my take on Greek-style roasted spaghetti squash. Now to prepare your squash, you're going to cut a small section off of each end. And this is to help stabilize the squash when you're ready to cut it down the center. Be careful doing this. Now again, carefully cut down the center of your squash. Now you're ready to clean out the insides. With a spoon, scrape out the seeds and the fibers. And you're going to save the seeds for roasting, as shown in another one of my videos. They're delicious. Now you're going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil all over the squash. And then just brush it to evenly spread the olive oil. Now to season, we're going to sprinkle the squash with ground black pepper, some Himalayan sea salt, and finally some dry basil. This adds a great flavor. After seasoning it, place it on a sheet pan and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Now that your squash is done and you've let it cool enough to handle it, just simply take a fork and start peeling the strands away from the skin. Very easy to do. And just continue with both halves until you're completely done. And then once you're done, set it aside while you prepare your other ingredients. Over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now add and saute 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, then add about 3 cups of fresh spinach. Toss to coat with the garlic. Sprinkle with some Himalayan sea salt and ground black pepper. And now we're going to add 6 ounces of sliced black olives. Toss until the spinach has reduced by half. Now you're going to add the spaghetti squash to the spinach, stirring to thoroughly incorporate the ingredients. Now just top it off with crumbled feta cheese, as much or little as you desire.